We've continued to improve our table tool, and in this version, we added many practical functions to it. Let's explore its new functions now. The context menu was added. When you click the table, it will appear in the ribbon. So, you can use commands more easily and directly from the context menu. Plus, you can put more contents into a cell. For example, you can insert one or more blocks into it. Different contents, such as text and blocks, can be put into one cell as well. The order of the cell's contents can be rearranged. Let's try to put text at the front. You can set order styles for cells, including line weight, line type, and color. But unlike the table border, this setting is only applicable to cells. Match cell enables you to copy the cell style to other cells, like a format painter. Also, you can select the table as a template. In this way, you can reuse the table without setting it up every time. This powerful table tool allows you to create and edit a table in ZWCAD directly. It also reduces the risk of data loss when you copy data from other software.